Hi, my name is Hari. We came from Guntur. So we are the direct manufacturer for the spice powders and overall. So Guntur is the hub of the chilies and Dugirala is the hub of the turmeric. So we are taking the material from directly farmers and mandis. So directly we are using the farmer material. We have a good two cleaning facilities and two manufacturing units we have. So directly we are taking the material from the farmers and we are grinding the material in our own unit, and we want to avoid the middlemen in this overall trade. So directly we are supporting to the retailers and wholesalers and horeca segments. So if you are compare the prices in the normal market and our manufacturing prices, automatically you will get 20 to 30% of the benefits from the direct manufacturing. So we will use the total overall export oriented materials and export quality material, and we have facilities having the export oriented units. So all the material will take from the farmers, cleaning, blending, grinding and screening. After screening, we will go for a testings and overall material which is having the good quality checks. That material only will go for a market and overall. So we have right now we are doing the three segments. Directly we are doing the chili powder, turmeric powder, dhania powder, and blended masalas like chicken masala, garam masala, chat masala, and mutton masala, and sambar powder and rasam powder. Participation is the first time in Hyderabad. So we feel very best, and people are coming and they are asking for the total of inquiries and overall. So people are very cautious, and what we understand from here is for food people are giving very most important. They are coming from so much far and overall, and they are inquiring all the things and overall. And I feel there is a good base in Hyderabad for the food industry and overall, and people are also very aware for their cautious about their health and overall. So they are looking where the quality meets and how the things and overall is coming, how the processing, their inquiry like how the processing, how you are procuring, how you are giving the guarantees and overall. So again they are checking all FSSI legal issues and overall. So it's very good, and coming to the Hyderabad and participate in this trade fair is will give some good experience for us.